My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the online scam that comes from the site Erbi90s.click. This site, Erbi90s.click, is absolutely faulty and deceptive. It claims to be related to the well-known security application. It also claims to be some security alert. But this information is not true. This is actually a fake security alert. It is not associated with any decent security program. So, if you see these pop-ups by Erbi90s.click, don't trust them, don't interact with these pop-ups, which are absolutely fake and deceptive. Such pop-ups could be the result of some adware to be enabled in your computer. So first thing you can do is checking the control panel and uninstalling the programs that could be suspicious. If you find something suspicious here, get rid of it. I would also recommend that you research your device with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So go here, download the program, install it, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.